Hey guys, this is Piyush Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Infotechies. In the ongoing series of AWS Cloud Computing, in previous videos, I show you how to create Linux instance in AWS and to launch Linux virtual machine in our system. In this video, we are going to deploy a web page using the IP address of the instance we are going to launch. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel, like the video and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Let's begin with the video. So come to your AWS console, type aws.console on Google and you can open it. Click on sign into the console. Always make sure that you are signed in with the root user. Click on next and enter the password. Sign in. Hope this time password should be correct. Yes. So we have successfully signed in with the AWS console. Now click on the services, EC2. It will open up the EC2 dashboard. A dashboard is ready. It shows instance running 1 because I've just created an instance. If you don't know how to create the instance, please prefer my videos. The first video of this AWS Cloud Computing series. Just click on this checkbox and copy this public IP address. First, just check what is inside this public IP address. Just paste it here and click on enter. It shows site can't reach. Okay, so go back to our instance. Now open up the putty software. If you create the instance with the existing key, you don't need to use puttygen. Directly open the putty software. I'll provide the link of the software in the description box. Click on run. Type ec2 user and paste the IP address. Now click on plus ssh auth and load the private key for the putty software. In my case it's 1 to 11.ppk. Open and click on open. Just wait, it shows a security alert. Click on yes and we are ready with the virtual machine. Now type command sudo bash to log in with the root. Sudo bash. Okay, now for deploying a web page we have to start or install the HTTP services. So for this we type command yum install httpd asterisk -y. Just click on enter. It will start installing the HTTPD services on your system. Just wait for a few seconds. So our services are installed completely. So now type cd space where space www/html. Now you are in the HTML folder. Type vi space index.html. It will create a file named index.html. Click on enter. Now click I for the insert panel. Now I have a web page. I'll just copy the code, Control C. Now for pasting it here, just click on the right button of your mouse and it will get pasted. Now to exit the insert mode, press escape :WQ. Now your web page is created successfully. Now you to restart the services, type service space httpd space restart. So service have been restarted. Now go back to your browser. Now refresh the page with the same IP address, and that's it shows a it shows a form whose code is written on the index.html. So we are done with it. Now make sure remember one thing: when you stop the instance or when you terminate the instance, this form or whatever directory or file you have created in the instance will also remove. So I'll show you how. Just click on the instance and click on stop instance. Successfully stopped instance. Now again, this time terminate instance. Successfully terminated. Now go back to your IP address, reload the page with the same IP address. You can see it takes time. This time it will definitely show site can't reach. Let's refresh it. Yeah, so that's all from this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. Thank you.